Why are you not announcing the results per constituency as you were doing before? That is what I'm saying. My grandmother calls Nairobi Karafu. And my niece Mimi calls Piki, Piki, ponki, paka, mielo, disko. Because he called both of them. He called both of them. And he was the only person who knew who the disco would land on. It could have been either of them. It could have been William Ruto. It could have been Raila Odinga. It fell on William Ruto and he says, voila, you are the president. Is that how we intend to choose our national executive? We've reduced it to Mimi's childhood game of Piki, Piki, ponki, paka, mielo, disko.
Council again.
Yes, my lord.
I did give you brotherly advice. Be careful. That language appears to be alien to this court.
I'll be guided, my lord. I'll be guided. But the main point, so that we don't lose the crux of the point,